Yo, what's up, guys? It is Sunday, October 12th, 2025. So today it was gonna be I hit 1,000 miles on my e-bike video, and I was so excited to post it. I'm so excited to make it, but I just went on my morning ride. I just went. And then, so what happened was, out of nowhere, I was riding with my hood on, my helmet on, all that gear protection on, and suddenly a drop of water, I don't know, fell right into my eyes. And then I was like, freaking, what the heck, dude? And then I was just touching my eyes all over, and then, oh shoot, it's friggin' bird poop. And I was just all freaked out and panicked, so I had to go all the way home, and then just, I had to go all the way home, dude. I had to go all the way home to rinse my fucking eyes like 1,000 times. I searched up on Google, oh, bird poop got into my fucking eyes, what do I do? It said, rinse your eyes thoroughly, don't rub your eyes. It's gonna make it worse, the infection and something. So I was like, oh shoot, my sink, where the water comes out, it's not even long enough. So there's no way I'm putting my head in the bottom of the sink to rinse it. So I just rubbed it and cleaned it, and now my eye hurts for some reason. Hopefully it doesn't have any redness, swelling, itchiness or something, because I'll have to go to the emergency room or seek medical attention. So yeah, but other than that, if that shit didn't happen, I will be filming this 1,000 mile. I hit 1,000 miles, dude. So it's everything, good shit, bad shit at the same time. So yeah, guys. So today I'm just gonna go for a ride. Like I said, it's Sunday, so Sunday morning ride. Hopefully, no bird poop gets in my eyes, so yeah. I didn't plug my bike in yesterday, plus I just went riding, so it's at 3 bars. And as you can see, guys, look at this. 1,000 freaking miles, baby. 1,000 miles, dude. So yeah, it's really good. Finally hit that 1,000 miles. Hopefully this bike lasts longer. So let me put my camera on. Okay, good. I feel like it's somehow crooked, but whatever. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go out for a ride. Hold up. Alright, sorry if I'm taking a long time, I just freaking got bird poop all over my eyes, so yeah. I'm just gonna go for a ride. I mean, my jacket's gonna cover my camera, so it's really annoying, so you guys can't see anything, I'm just afraid. But yeah, so I'm just gonna close this garage door. So I can only go for like 20 minutes because of trauma that I'm gonna get hit with another set of bird poop, or my camera's gonna die. So yeah, I'm just gonna go for 20 minutes, I guess. Damn, I planned on filming this video like in the afternoon, but turns out, I don't know, dude. Alright, put it to 5. Yeah, maybe I should turn off my jacket. I don't know. Yeah, I should put my jacket, the ones that's gonna cover my freaking camera, like tuck it in so it won't, affect anything. Let's see. Dang, I'm having a really slow and not off to a good start day on a Sunday, so. I mean, yesterday was a fine day. I had to, I got to go explore my neighborhood and everything, so that was good. So yeah, today's the big 1,000 mile mark day, I guess. So, like I said, the battery has been draining ultra fast, so I don't know. So let me show you guys where I just got hit by bird poop. So if I go down here, right? So if I go down here and I go, right? I'll show you guys when I got hit, or where I got hit. So I got hit by bird poop right here. Right here. I got hit like right when I touched the speed bump right here, I got hit. That was so annoying, dude. I thought I was gonna die. Or I was gonna lose my eye, but whatever. So where are we gonna go today? I think we're gonna go, hold up. I was planning on filming this video in the afternoon, but I don't know, I just got all panicked because of that incident. And so in the afternoon, I planned on exploring some like new places, like going on the streets with cars and stuff. But it turns out that I got hit by that bird poop, and it got me all like, it got me in places I wasn't supposed to be in, like the state of my mental. So I decided to film a video right now. I mean, my battery's not gonna make it that long, so I'm just gonna cruise around like the same old, you know, I'm just gonna cruise around the same old place I always do in my videos and make this video extremely boring with a lot of speed bumps, so yeah. Like, I feel like anytime something good happens, for example, I hit 1,000 miles or something like an enjoyable thing happens, something bad has to happen next. So I don't know why, dude. I'm just so pissed. And plus it's so freaking cold, dude. It's like it feels like my bike's saying to me, oh man, you hit 1,000 miles, you made me drain so fast. Oh, get off this bike, Lewis. If you're not, we're gonna make bird poop drop on you. I'm like, dude, chill out. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'm just hallucinating, I'm just thinking too much, but yeah. Have you guys ever, like, when you're riding your e-bike or something, and then all of a sudden you feel like you have a question in your head, am I actually moving? Or are you just like stopping here? Like sometimes I see I'm moving, but I feel like I'm just sitting there. I'm just sitting, you know. Sometimes it doesn't really feel like I'm moving. But now it feels like I'm moving, so yeah. some reason, it feels like I'm going a lot faster than my previous ride, which was the ride I got hit by bird poop. So even though it says I'm going the same speed, 18 miles per hour, 25 miles per hour, right? But the speed just feels different. So right now the mileage is currently at 1,003 miles. I'm just so pissed I got hit by that bird poop. Like, it would be so interesting or so, like, you know, if I got hit by bird poop again, like right now. Like, it would be just so freaking... Like, I got hit by bird poop in my head, in my hand, anywhere before, but never right in the, but never right in my eyes, so... I searched it up on Google. It said bird poop contains bacteria, something, diseases and stuff, and I was just pissed off. Like, I was just scared. Like the other day, like a month ago or two, my dad was eating candy, right? And one of the candy wrappers got stuck in his glasses, like those sharp parts, and so he wore his glasses, and the sharp parts he didn't see, so that sharp candy wrapper got poked him right in the middle of his eyeball, so that kind of sucked. We had to go to the doctors, and yeah, I had to accompany him to the doctors to get his eye checked out, and apparently he had a big scratch in his eye, so I had to put had like this sort of cream for the eyes to put in. I never seen those things before, but yeah, I had to help him do that, so. Anyways, this video was supposed to be the big 1,000-mile mark, so I'm just talking about random shit that happened to me. So I'm not even talking about the video, so yeah. So about, back to what this video is supposed to be called. Right now I've hit like 1,000 miles, and I can tell you guys the good and bad things I've had on this bike, about the battery and everything. So before 500 miles, everything was good. The battery and everything there was no glitch. It was all good. But after 500 miles, it started to drain like faster and faster. And until now, it's draining like super fast. So it's a lithium battery, so it's supposed to do that, so that's normal, but all the glitches happened yesterday right before I hit 1,000 miles, so yeah. So yesterday what happened was, so after I slowed down on the speed bump and was ready to go again, so I hit the throttle, right, and all of a sudden the motor just cut everything out and then just launched me forward again. So that was weird, and the bar dropped to like 4 bars immediately. So that was a little concerning. So yeah. Oh, it is cold, dude. Yeah, I should switch like I should switch, yeah, I should go the opposite way and switch things up, because if I'm not going, like, if I'm not, going to explore new places, and it's gonna be really boring going the same place over and over again. I mean, it's not boring for me, but it's boring for you guys, so yeah. Another thing that stresses me out is when I'm going fast and a dog is trying to chase me. So that always freaks me out. So anyways, if you guys have any like more experience or something, so feel free to, can you tell me how fast can dogs run? Can they run 10 miles per hour or 20 miles per hour? Because hopefully they can't run as fast as my bike. Then I'd be actually cooked. I'm down to 2 bars, so I'll have to go back soon. Like I said, this battery is draining super duper fast, so I'll have to get a new battery soon. So yeah. But anyways, it did hit 1,000 miles, so yeah. There's a needle there's a needle back there. I almost got hit, so just gotta keep that in mind. Anyways, it's just hella bad luck that I got freaking hit by bird poop right in the middle of my eyes today, so yeah. Yeah, my eyes are starting to water, so I don't know if I should be concerned or not. Anyways, the sun is coming up. I'm gonna go home because my battery's gonna be dead. Went 4.1 miles. So yeah, not that great. Now I have to charge my bike like 2 times a day, which is really bad. So anyways, I'm gonna go home, rest on my eye, like see if it needs any medical attention, and upload this video, do some missing assignments from school, and that's about it. So yeah. Sorry for sounding so negative in my videos, because I am. I mean, if everything would have gone like good, I would be positive, but since I got hit by bird poop and almost got an eye infection or starting to get one, I am just so bummed out. This should be like the most positive video on my channel. Oh, I hit 1,000 miles on my e-bike, good, right? But no. Something bad had to happen. I had to get hit in the eye by a bird poop. So yeah, I'm extremely pissed. Sometimes I feel like my bike's going slow. Sometimes it's going fast, even if it's even if it hits the same speed. So, for example, right now, 18 miles per hour feels faster than when it used to felt like. So yeah. Anyways, I'm just gonna go home. Yeah, I'm going home. I'm done, dude. My battery's dead. My eye is feeling worse than ever, so I don't know, guys. Might be the last time you see me for a while. Yeah, I'm just gonna go home. I don't feel well. Emotionally, physically, and everything. And plus my battery died. What's the point of continuing, right? Alright. Remember, guys, try to have a good day whenever or wherever you are. Just try to have a good day. Unlike me, always having a bad day. Something bad has to happen each day, so yeah. Just try to have a good day, be happy. Always remember, try to be happy, guys. It's really good for you, for your body, physically and emotionally. So you don't want to end up having heart palpitations like me because of worrying too much about a lot of things. So yeah, I'm just gonna plug my charger in, plug my battery in, because obviously it's dead. So every time I charge it, I have to get this key, right? I have to turn it to unlock the friggin' battery, and then I come over here, and then I pull the thing out. So like this. All right, let's charge it. Let's plug it in. For some reason, my bike feels like its performance is feeling better after I got hit by bird poop. So, oop, that was my alarm to stop riding, but I ended the ride even earlier because of my battery. So, just gonna plug it in, and then plug this in. Alright, so it's charging. As long as it still charges and it still can ride, I'm just gonna stick with it, guys. I'm stuttering a lot. So yeah, I will see you guys. please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next e-bike video, or next commute to school, which is the 100-day commute series. So goodbye.